Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious looking and tasty Nigeria okra soup. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's get cooking. So to make this recipe, we're gonna start by preparing the ingredients. So here I'll be blending two red bell peppers and three habanero peppers and the medium onion. I'm just gonna chop it. I'm not blending it to puree. Just chop it up in my blender, my little blender. And here I'm using fresh okra also. That's what my daughter is helping me to prepare. As you can see, she's slicing them and dicing them nicely. And here I'll also be using some chunk okra, and the chunk okra I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend it to help thicken the soup. I will also be using assorted meats in this recipe, some smoked fish, that's the fresh okra, some vegetables. I'm using kale. I'll be using this is the pureed okra. As you can see, I'll be using it with the fresh okra. I'm using some shrimp, some locust beans, onion, mushroom, and that's blended pepper. And we start by adding some palm oil in the pot. Allow it to just dissolve, do not bleach. So after that, I'll be adding the locust bean. Fry it for about 1 minute or two to release the flavor into the oil. Then after that, I'll be adding the blended pepper. Stir it properly to combine and just allow 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the water have dried. I just added the crayfish, stir it up together. Then add the meat, the cooked meat with the meat stock. Stir it up. Then I'm going to add the stock cube. I'm using none here. Stir it. Then I'm covered it to boil for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then I added the smoked fish and the mushroom. Cover it to boil for about 5 minutes. Then added the shrimp, the blended okra, trying to dissolve it properly. And after that, I added the fresh okra. Mix them properly. Then add the kale vegetable. Allow it to cook for like a minute. Then I added my onga seasoning. Stir it properly. Just allow it to cook for a minute or 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook your vegetables. Then stir it properly, and as you can see, the soup is very much ready. Very easy and simple. So you can serve this with any swallow of your choice. I served mine with some mashed plantain. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.